What is up, everybody? It's your boy Connor, the Wubbzy. It's your boy Connor's Cartoon Nostalgia Universe channel. Today, I'm going to be unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing the brand new unboxed sealed Disco Dancing Wubbzy. Yeah, you heard me. This a brand new inbox sealed Disco Dancing Wubbzy. Literally. But yeah, we're opening a Disco Dancing a brand new box sealed Disco Dancing Wubbzy from Fisher Price Mattel Incorporated. 18 years later, before GTA 6. But without going any further, because my camera takes doesn't have enough recording time, so without further ado, let's just guide. Just open this box as fast as possible so you don't have to wait for me to open it. So you don't have to wait for me to open it. And there it is. All of a sudden, and you can see that the box. There it is. A quick unboxing. And you can see, way in the box, hell no. Way in the box, hell no. And you can see, original, I'd say everything. But damn, the tag is really stiff. Oh. And you can see that there's mold on his foot. Yeah, not tested. But I'm gonna do this off oh yeah, he's not even tying. He's loose in the box. As you can see, he's loose in the box. But technically he is brand new. Technically he is brand new in the box. But technically he is brand new in the box. So I'll first test him in a whole new video. So yeah, bye.